Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Cash App for the first time. Cash App is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money instantly. To get started, you will need to download the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, open it and tap on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your phone number or email address. Choose the option that is most convenient for you and enter the required information. You will then receive a verification code that you will need to enter to verify your account. After verifying your account, you will be asked to link a bank account or credit card to your Cash App account. This will allow you to add funds to your account and make payments. You can link a bank account by selecting the bank from the list of available banks or by using the routing and account number. If you prefer to use a credit card, you can enter the card details manually. Once you have linked a bank account or credit card, you can add funds to your Cash App account. To do this, go to the My Cash tab and tap on the Add Cash button. Enter the amount of money you want to add and confirm the transaction. The funds will be transferred from your linked bank account or credit card to your Cash App account. To send money using Cash App, go to the Send Money tab and enter the phone number, email address, or $cash tag of the person you want to send money to. Enter the amount of money you want to send and add a note if you want to. Confirm the transaction and the money will be sent instantly. To receive money using Cash App, make sure your account is set up to receive payments. You can do this by going to the Settings tab and making sure that the Receive Payments option is turned on. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification and the funds will be added to your Cash App account. It is also important to note that Cash App offers a number of security features to protect your account and transactions. These include two-factor authentication, encryption, and fraud detection. To keep your account secure, make sure to use a strong password and keep your account information up to date. In conclusion, using Cash App for the first time is a straightforward process that requires you to download the app, sign up for an account, link a bank account or credit card, and add funds to your account. By following these steps and using the app responsibly, you can take advantage of the convenience and security that Cash App has to offer.